Hello everyone. So this time we're just going to be looking at how to stream Google Maps into our satellite imagery. This is a my QGIS. Just open your QGIS. So I had something I laid up on Google Maps. It's just a building data frame and all that. So first thing is just for you to so what you're seeing is how it's going to look like your satellite imagery at the background and your geographic layers on top of it. So you can I've just untoggled the Google Maps, so I'm removing all layers from the QGIS, so you can see it, and we'll take you through how everything is supposed to look like. Mm, just give me a minute, let me clean that up. Yeah. So your Google Maps is an XYZ tiles. We have open street maps, we have all that. So I'm just showing how the open street maps. So this is usually default that comes with QGIS. It's open source, but most times it's not. There's no satellite imagery behind it, and most of the polygons are mostly outdated. They're not really updated for some areas. So this might prove to be not useful for you in your spatial project, but it could be if you need it for something else, depending on what you're looking for. But basically, that's what it looks like, and we'll be going through how to fix it. So for your XYZ tiles, what you need to do is to create a new connection and go to your URL. So basically, um, we have to search for. So all you need to do is to type this um search for URL for XYZ tile for Google Maps and QGIS, and the first on the um environment is where you're going to use to is gonna you're gonna click. So you have about six different. Let it open up, but you have about six different imagery layers that you can take from. Um, we have the roadmap terrain. You have I mean adjusted roadmaps and all that, but I've only tested two, three actually. The roadmap never works, so you can I use the advanced altered roadmap and the satellite imagery, and um just copy the URL there and go back to QGIS for your um you go back to QGIS and now create a new connection. So let's create a new connection. Yes. Oh, sorry. I've removed the old one, so I'm creating a new one. Yeah. So first thing is just to write name the project whatever you want it to be, whether it's maps or anything. But I use Google Maps, so just name it Google Maps. For me, it's just Google Maps. Then sorry, then you put the URL as that was copied for the satellite imagery and click on OK. You don't have to do any other thing. Just put that there.